Organizations receive a great number of service requests every month through channels such as email. Those requests are often processed by a person, which is time-consuming and costly. Let's have a look at how virtual assistants, artificial intelligence, and robots can help. Our customer, Joe, sends an email to his bank to add his wife to his account. Pega's intelligent virtual assistant for email has picked up Joe's request and created a case for triage worker Kelly. Artificial intelligence and natural language processing has figured out the sentiment and the subject matter. Kelly uses an intelligently suggested email template, responding to the customer in a timely fashion. She chooses one of the predicted case types and notices that the system has automatically mapped some data from the email, but is able to make corrections so that over time, the system learns and gets smarter. Kelly now completes triage by creating a new case that is routed to a worker for completion. That worker is James. He opens the case and begins the process of adding a new user to our customer's bank account. But we see here in big red letters that in order to complete his work, James needs to spin around to old legacy systems to manually update them. Now in edit mode, this process is enhanced using artificial intelligence. We see all of the channels in which U+ Bank interacts. Through the Virtual Assistant for Email channel, we're able to tell the application that any time a new email arrives which AI determines with a certain level of confidence to be of type Add New User, automatically bypass triage, create a case, and route to a worker. Let's return to our customer as he sends in another request to add a new user to his account. This time we can see that we've completely bypassed Kelly, the triage worker, and instead routed this case directly to James for processing. But of course, James still has to update those legacy systems. That's expensive and not very efficient. Pega can help U+ Bank do even better through the use of robots. Opening the case definition for adding a new user to an account, we see the Manually Add User to Account step. Let's replace that with a robot. This robotic automation operates with minimal IT disruption, interfacing with legacy systems just like a person. Now, let's go back to our customer one more time as he sends in multiple requests to add 3 new users to his account. The robots pick those up, launch multiple thick client green screen and web apps, enter data, and complete the work of adding users to our customer's account. Details of one of those robots shows that just a few moments ago, it completed 3 different cases. Imagine being a customer and before standing up and walking away from his keyboard, he receives an email response that shows his request was completed. That's a great customer experience. Work automation plus artificial intelligence plus robots allows organizations to be truly operationally efficient and agile, all while providing fantastic customer experiences.